Central Sentinel back once again. I am Tito Chad.
Tito Anso.
And Tito Lance.
And we are the future Titos of Central Sentinel. Guys, regarding the topic kanina, during the press conference, napansin ko na puro sa fake news umiikot yung topic. Ano masabi niyo tungkol doon, guys?
Well, bro, bilang campus journalist talaga, the truth matters, of course. And the truth is the only thing we need. Why do some fake news, bro?
I can't even believe that there are people who are bombarded with fake news and they do believe that. What can you say about that, Tito Lance?
Well, fake news, naka-apekto siya ng malaki sa akin, especially nung nai-issue ako sa mga tita ko na kung ano-ano daw yung ginagawa ko na pinapakalat ng mga pinsang ko.
That's damn, bro. That's damn bad, bro. You, Tito Ansel, what can you say about that?
Yes, bro, exactly. Lalo na yung mga early generations of people, yung mga di pa sanay sa social media. Well, they are very vulnerable to fake news, bro.
Bro, pansin ko din, masyadong madaming mga elementary students ang madalas magpakalat ng fake news. Madalas is mga students from elementary. Ano masabi niyo, bro?
Well, based on my ethics of it as a campus journalist, bro, that's something serious, bro, because fake news, bro. Why not work on the truth, bro? Work on the truth.
You know, guys, it's really hard for people to figure out what is the real truth. They always believe on fake news and misinformations. I can't even fathom the fact that there are so many people who have been victim of fake news. What can you say about that, Tito Lance?
Well, ang masasabi ko lang ay vulnerable talaga yung mga bata sa fake news kasi hindi sila namumulat sa mga websites na facts ang nire-release katulad ng GMA News, ABS-CBN, and other sites like Inquirer.net and Philippine Star.
You know, guys, I once hear a very interesting quote. Walang magpapaloko, walang maloloko kung walang magpapaloko. Is that true, guys?
Awesome!
That's for me, is the truth. And as a campus journalist, I think my role is to spread truth. I think my role is to spread the reality of the world, the reality of our nation, the reality of our country. So as the society, what can you say about that, guys?
Well, this is the worst thing I can ever heard all about. And talaga, pre, ayoko ng fake news, pre, talaga lang.
And as a campus journalist, what can you say about that? Ano yung mga dapat mong gawin para mas mapakalat pa yung mga reality sa buhay natin?
Well, we need to remind our titas, especially those who are vulnerable to fake news, that they must base on some website, their source. They must verify their sources and everything they hear from the media and everything like that.
So regarding our writings, what can you say is the thing we are supposed to do in order to spread more truthness in every details of our own writing or in every own article?
Well, masasabi ko lang, kailangan talaga natin ipakalat yung news na tama talaga kahit masakit yun sa iba. Yun lang.
At ayun, ipapakalat ko yun. Totoong papakalatin ko lahat ng mga realidad sa buhay natin, bro. Ano masabi niyo doon? And ano mo masabi niyo, bro? Wala na kayong masabi? Tapusin na natin to.
That's it, bro.
That's it, guys. And this is once again your future Titos of Central Sentinel. And this is the podcast where men gotta say sometimes. That's all. Thank you.